Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Finally, the wait is over. We are in the mango season, the most awaited season of the year. From kids to elders, everybody love to have this mangoes. Trust me, either it's raw or ripe, we love the taste. That magic this king of fruit has. So with this fruit, I have already prepared some videos or I have shown some videos how to enjoy mango this season. So I am here with another amazing recipe with just 2 ingredients available in your kitchen. You can prepare this amazing mango recipe. This is summer special. You name this as Amrakhand or mango Shrikhand. So watch the video till the end and you can enjoy this too. So first of all, here I have taken a bowl and you need to place a sieve on top of it and then add half a liter of curd, that is 1 full packet of curd, that is 500 ml or 500 grams. So by placing the maximum amount of water that has been drained, see, it's like this. Now place a cloth or muslin cloth or a washed cotton cloth on top of a bowl and add the entire curd on the sieve into the cloth and then start pressing gently like this. Twist it and press it gently so that the excess water drains out. Now see, I don't want to reveal the name of the curd, but trust me how much water it has come. So you clean the bowl and then place some weight on top of the curd and then allow the excess water or to drain down. So in meanwhile, it takes around 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So in the meanwhile, we need to peel our mangoes. Here I have taken 2 Alfonso mangoes. I washed them nicely, peeled and then added the chopped pieces into the blender like this. Now I have added 5 tablespoons of sugar and also 2 tablespoons of milk maid. If milk maid is not available in your home or condensed milk is not available, then you can add extra sugar. That depends on your taste. You can skip this part, but by adding this you can get a silky smooth texture of the puree. So without adding any water, you need to blend this puree. Remember, you should not add any water or milk into it, only just the mangoes and the sugar and the milk maid. So place this puree in the refrigerator till the remaining process gets started. So chill the puree in the fridge. Meanwhile, throw the excess water and then place the cloth in this bowl and start removing the curd that has got stuck to the cloth. See, it is so silky and smooth and soft, nice. So this is our curd, perfect. If your curd is like this, then you're going to get an amazing texture or recipe of this Amrakhand. Now remove the curd from the cloth and then add it into the bowl, and with the help of your hand or else with the help of your spoon, you can stir it nicely and gently like this as shown here. Now once you're done stirring the curd, remove the puree from the refrigerator and add the chilled puree into the bowl batch wise and then continuously keep stirring it. Now this is where the main part is. You should not skip this part and you need to do it very gently and thoroughly so that if you stir it nicely and constantly, you will get the silky creamy texture and the peaks in the curd as shown earlier. Now I have added chopped cashews and a little bit of pistachios powder. If you want, you can also add almonds and raisins also, that depends on your taste. See, now we have got this peaks nicely. This is the perfect consistency for our Amrakhand or mango Shrikhand. Now you can place the bowl directly in the fridge and allow it to chill and then later remove out and then add it into the serving bowls, or else you can directly add the Amrakhand into the serving bowls and then place the serving bowls directly in the fridge and chill for 2 hours and then serve it. It's completely on your convenience and your choice, either of it. And then before serving, you need to again garnish on top of it for extra taste and extra flavor. That's it. Our amazing Amrakhand or mango Shrikhand is ready. It's better served when it's chill and cold. It is truly an amazing taste. I have also prepared some mango recipes like Andhra special mango pickle or mango kheer and all. So go watch those also. Before the season ends, try these amazing recipes and enjoy with your family. If you have watched the video till now, I hope you liked it. So please click on the thumbs up and subscribe.